Didiza is not a celebrity of any nature. She is a very hard-working activist of the African National Congress. She served in various different portfolios, including as Minister of Public Works, Minister of Agriculture. So she is a candidate with extremely deep level of experience in governance. And to simply cast her away as a celebrity is suggesting that she's not competent. She's extremely competent, and she will be able to lead the mayoral committee very ably and ensure that the integrated development program for Tshwane is ably implemented, and that is why we thought of her. How will we ensure that all structures accept the decision? The reason we've brought the entire complement of the Regional Executive Committee here with us today is because they have decided amongst themselves, firstly, to unanimously accept the nomination of Thoko Didiza, and that they will make sure that they go out to all the structures and talk to this matter and explain as we would in every other circumstance of this nature. Thirdly, why was the PEC not convinced? When we do the selection of mayoral candidates, the reason our resolution is framed in the manner that it is framed, where we ask them to send us 3 names to the PEC and the decision of the PEC is final, is so that evaluations can be made on more than just technical competence, but also the unity of the ANC in a particular region. And one of our difficulties has been that the intensity of the competition in Tshwane had led to a breakdown of the relationships between 2 key individuals in that region. Now, they will still be the regional leadership. I need to make that very clear to all of us. They will still be leading the region, and we want to give them the opportunity to focus their minds on building the ANC structurally and making sure that they go back to the ground, as they are both activists, both the Comrade Ramakgopa and Comrade, both activists, competed against each other. Now they have to go back to the ground and work hard to unite the ANC together. Thirdly, no, we have no discussions about coalitions in Tshwane or anywhere else. Normally, that doesn't happen until you really have to discuss it, you know, and we don't believe that we have to. We have been working on the ground in Tshwane. We were there on Friday, the entire day, and from the response of the community, who may have questions, the question that is not being put to us is that they will not support the ANC. And I think there's a vast difference between being cynical and being realistic. And we've been very realistic. We're also not arrogant. We count every vote as being very important. And so we go back on the ground and we're going to work hard for the vote of Tshwane. So why was Ramakgopa not considered? I think the decision of the PEC is a final decision, and we are all respecting that decision. And also that in the 3 names that were presented by the REC to the PEC, he was not amongst the 3. So we must just keep that in mind and work backwards if we can, and understand that we are deploying these comrades to work in the ANC and to make sure that the ANC is solid and united.